Hey YouTubers, today we have a GE refrigerator where the LED lights inside are blinking, and it just means we have to replace some of these LED bulbs. So we can see the blinking, flickering lights in there, which is kind of distracting, and also it doesn't illuminate the inside of the refrigerator very well anymore. This is caused because at least one of the LEDs, in this case there's 7 of them, is defective. So we are going to just change the LED bulbs. I'm using a flathead screwdriver to pry out the bulb assembly. Then I'll push in on the little tab on the back.
Hey guys, can you take just a second to click on the subscription link below? It really helps our channel, and also the bell notification, so every time we make a new video, we can send it right to you. We make a new video about once every week. Really appreciate that, and if you give us a thumbs up, it'd be great. Thank you.
Remove it. Here we can see with the red arrow, this little tab you push in to disconnect the electrical connection. I do have the power on still on the refrigerator. You can unplug it if you want to, but there's very little current coming in, so there's no chance of getting shocked. So I'm removing each one of these with the flathead screwdriver, and then I'll press in on the little tab and remove the housing. I'm going to get all of them out first, and then I'm going to put little new LED bulbs in to the silver plastic housing. You can buy the bulb that's already part of the plastic housing, the chrome housing, but they're pretty expensive. If you buy just these little modular circuits and then add them in, it's a lot cheaper. So here's the kit that comes with the little LED bulbs. That's what they look like. And I am going to just pry out the old defective bulb by pressing in on this, where this tab is, where this red circle is. I'm going to push this black tab outwards slightly. You see where the red arrow is. I'm going to push that tab out, and I'm using a little screwdriver to do that, just slightly. I don't want to break that tab, just going to bend it out a little bit, and then I can get this small LED circuit board out of its housing. I'll grab a new one, and I'm just going to put it in at the bottom at the base as far as it'll go in, and then I'm going to push down with my thumbs until it clicks in. And then I've got that new bulb in its housing, and I'll go ahead and install it. I'm going to do that with all of the, in this case, 7 bulbs. Depending on which model you get, you may have 8 bulbs or maybe 3. This one's got 7, so I'm going to do it on all 7. I'll pry out the old one by prying out the black plastic tab to the side just slightly, and then I can get the bulb out, and then I'll put the new one in position, and then I'll press down with my thumbs until it clicks. Okay, now I've got the fridge doors open, and I'm going to go ahead and install these bulbs. It's just take you a second to do this. It's really easy. I'm going to plug the new bulb into its modular wire. It'll click, and then I'm just going to push the housing back into the sidewall of the fridge until it clicks. So it's really easy. And then I'll do that on each one. You'll notice that you probably won't get any light, even though the power's on. The lights won't come on until all of the bulbs are back in. It's kind of like the old Christmas lights, where if one bulb goes out, they all have trouble. Either they'll flicker or none of them will work. But if you replace all of the bulbs, then the whole system fires up and it's nice and bright again. It's funny though, this is on a GE fridge, and the customer mentioned to me that it's only 1 year old, so I was kind of surprised that these bulbs had already had trouble. So I'm doing the top one here. I click it in, then I push it into position, and just keep finagling with it until it clicks in. There's some little clips on the side that have to go up into the housing. And just be patient. There we go. Here's another one of the upper ones. Get that in there, push it in, and then here's the last one. And you can see when you do the last one, all the lights come on. It's nice and bright again. No more flickering, and it's actually brighter lights. They're just showing the technique again. Is use a small screwdriver, pry out on that black tab, and then you can get the old one out, and then put the new one in position, and then push down with your thumbs until it clicks. And then we're going to show that black tab again on the side. Either one of the black tabs, you can just slightly pry it out. Here's the top one, goes in, and then you push it up into position until it clicks. There's the door open with the new bulbs, nice and bright. Just showing you guys that technique again. Just want to be careful we don't break by prying out too hard on the black tab. Just gently. There's the new one. Doing all 7 of these should just take you probably 10 minutes, you'll be done. And it's very rewarding because it is actually very bright once the system's working again. So thanks so much for watching, and hope this will work really good for you.
Please leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. We really appreciate that. We have a really nice video coming up for you right here that I think you'll enjoy. Very similar, dealing with appliance repair. So thanks again for watching our video.